Step back in time as we revisit 10 legendary Disney World dining spots that brought magic to meals and see what's in their place today. L'Originale Alfredo di Roma served legendary fettuccine Alfredo in EPCOT's Italy Pavilion from 1982 to 2007. With live opera singers and romantic ambiance, it transported guests to a charming Roman trattoria every night. Today, the space is home to Tutto Italia Ristorante, serving modern Italian fare in the same elegant location. Perched atop Disney's contemporary resort, Top of the World dazzled guests with stunning views, Broadway-style entertainment, and upscale dining from 1971 to 1993, one of Disney World's trendiest restaurants. Families dressed up for an evening of fine cuisine, fireworks, and live music. The space now hosts California Grill, still offering incredible views and signature dining atop the Contemporary. Electric Umbrella was EPCOT's neon-filled quick-service staple, offering burgers and salads beneath colorful umbrellas and futuristic lighting. It closed in 2020 during EPCOT's transformation, leaving nostalgic fans missing its retro style and classic menu. Its space has been reimagined as Connections Eatery, a sleek new food hall reflecting EPCOT's future. Starring Rolls Cafe was Hollywood Studios' go-to breakfast and pastry spot from 1989 until its closure in 2017. Known for gigantic cupcakes, fresh pastries, and shaded outdoor seating, it was a favorite for a quick break. Unlike the other eateries in this video, there isn't currently much going on with this spot. Adventureland. Veranda delighted guests with Polynesian-inspired quick meals and refreshing drinks near the entrance of Adventureland. Although it closed in 1994, its breezy veranda seating and tropical vibes are fondly remembered. The space is now home to the Skipper Canteen, a table service restaurant with a witty Jungle Cruise twist. Aunt Polly's Dockside Inn on Tom Sawyer Island was a seasonal favorite, serving fried chicken and sandwiches along the rivers of America. Its rustic charm and quiet riverside setting created lasting family memories until it finally closed in 2024. With Tom Sawyer Island closing for new development, the spot is now part of the upcoming Piston Peak National Park expansion. Spirit of Aloha combined delicious Polynesian cuisine and vibrant island entertainment at Disney's Polynesian Resort until its closure in 2022. Its departure marked the end of a beloved luau tradition featuring fire dancers, Hawaiian music, and tropical feasts. The location is now home to the new Polynesian DVC Tower and Wailulu Bar and Grill. The Papeete Bay Veranda offered guests relaxed island dining at Disney's Polynesian Resort from 1971 to 1994. Known for lush tropical decor, live Polynesian music, and exotic seafood dishes, its laid-back charm is still fondly remembered. The space later became Ohana, which is now a must-do for families and character breakfasts. Tomorrowland Terrace opened in 1971, offering futuristic counter-service meals and live music in Magic Kingdom. Before it became Cosmic Rays, it was the go-to spot for burgers and entertainment under shimmering space-age lights. Tomorrowland Terrace restaurant still exists in a different location, but it is only open for dessert parties and special events. Fulton's Crab House was an iconic seafood restaurant aboard the Empress Lily Riverboat in downtown Disney until closing in 2016. Guests savored fresh crab, lobster, and waterfront views for decades aboard this floating eatery. The riverboat has since been transformed into paddlefish, continuing the tradition of seafood on the lake. From floating riverboats to rooftop dining and long-lost bakeries, these restaurants may be gone, but the memories and magic of Disney World's old-school dining live on.